What's up, YouTube friends? So this weekend we have a family reunion, and this year our theme is red, white, and blue. So I thought it'd be great if we made some t-shirts. So I got my helpers here today, and the things you're going to need to make these t-shirts are, of course, a t-shirt, some fabric paint. Today I'll be using red and blue. I have some foam brushes and some palettes. Today I'll also be using a friction pin. So let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is take my friction pin. I'm going to kind of eyeball where I want my handprint, and I'm going to make some lines. Now I'm going to space these about 2.5 inches apart. Now I did about 3 lines taking up half the shirt, and I'm going to do 3 more lines the full way across. So it should look something like this. So now we're just going to take our red fabric paint and we're going to paint right directly on the line that we just drew. So if you want to go ahead and do that, guys. Make a line.
What? This is no. This isn't no.
Do this.
Don't do this.
Look at me, girl. Look at me. Watch. Do little short brush strokes. Okay. That looks beautiful.
Mine? Are you talking about mine?
No,
just make sure that if there's a white, you leave a space between your other red lines.
I don't like this. I am definitely not ever wearing this.
You have them.
No, I don't. People can't control me.
Okay, Grandma, you get to stay on the lines.
Don't be like me.
Short little brush strokes, okay? It might not look perfect, but it's art, okay?
Yeah, okay.
Can I help you?
Ew.
I don't want to be on it.
You're not. I shut it off.
Good.
Alright guys, so we finished painting our stripes, so the next thing we're going to do is paint our hands blue. And as you can see, Mother decided to steal the show. So you can pick whatever hand that you want and put a light coat of blue on. Grandma, paint your hand.
And do I just stick it on with this?
So now we're just going to carefully put our hand down and smoosh it.
Smooth.
Now lift straight up. And it's pretty. That's beautiful, Mother. Mother's being a perfectionist. So now we're just going to let these dry for 4 hours per the manufacturer's instructions, and we'll try them on.
Booyah!
Alright guys, so it's been a few hours, so let's see how our shirts turned out. It's so hard being ridiculously good looking.
What?
If you like this video and want to see more of my videos, go down below and hit the big red subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up. If you'd like to support this channel, head on over to Patreon. For just as little as $1 a day, we'll keep these videos coming. Friend me over on Facebook and Twitter if you'd like to share crafting ideas and pictures. Feel free to share this video across your social medias. And as always, thanks for watching.
And we'll see you next time. Bye.